Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 gigs that you can start to sell on Fiverr with no skills or knowledge needed. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. The first step, go to fiverr.com and search number 1 gig Facebook and Instagram ad creatives. Most new businesses don't actually have the time or the expertise to go ahead and create their visual content for their social media platforms or their ads. This service is always going to be in high demand. There are a bunch of different websites out there that you can use to create these ads using professional templates. Welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Number 2 is fav icons. So guys, your question is, what is a fav icon? It's basically a graphic image icon associated with a particular web page and our website. Many recent user agents, such as graphical browsers and newsreaders, display them as a visual reminder of the website identity in the address bar or in tabs. What you can do is use free online editing software like Canva to create these fav icons for your buyers and make some really quick, easy money through this method. Number 3 is an SEO analysis report. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a free tool that can actually get this done. Go to Google and we want to type in Uber Suggest SEO Analyzer, and you can see right here all you have to do is put in your website URL and you're going to get a free SEO analysis. It's going to show you any errors that you have. So this is an extremely useful tool. Number 4 is designing social media ads. I'm going to show you free way that we can do this without having any experience or skills. So you can see some of these people right here, they say they're going to create an ad. This one here, they will design flyers, posters, and other social media ads with 1,000 plus orders. Now I'm going to show you a website where we can get this done for free. So go to the canva.com. This is a graphic design website. You can use different templates to create social media ads, and many more services provide on Fiverr and make a good amount of money. Number 5 is background remover. So this is something that a lot of people need to be done, whether they're doing e-commerce or YouTube. Now I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that. Go to Google and type in background remover. You can use this free tool and remove the background of any image. Only upload an image, and this tool completely removes the background of any image. That's all guys. You can make money on Fiverr using this tool. And now if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.